You don't need a QR code app on your iPhone. Most people download one. But your iPhone already has a built-in scanner. And there's even a hidden app for it. Let me show you where it is. Go to your home screen. Now swipe down from the middle of the screen. This opens Spotlight Search. Type in Code Scanner. You'll see an app appear. Tap it. This is a hidden iPhone feature most people don't know about. Now your camera will open instantly. All you need to do is point your phone at a QR code. It will scan automatically. No tapping, no extra steps. And it will instantly open whatever the QR code contains. A website, a payment link, or contact details. Now here's a useful tip. If you're in low light, tap the flashlight icon. This turns on the flash and makes scanning much easier. But here's something important. Not all QR codes are safe. Some can take you to fake websites or scams. So before you scan anything, make sure you trust where it came from. Never scan random codes in public or ones sent to you by unknown people. You don't even need the Code Scanner app. You can also open your normal camera app and point it at a QR code. It works the same way, but the Code Scanner is faster and more direct. Now you know exactly where to find it and how to use it properly. Most people never find this feature. Now you have.